Let's see if we can get a light. We're digging the dirt out
with a spoon.
With a spoon. So, someone tried to fix this once before. There's a no-hub connection down there to a cast iron, and anyways, it failed. We had a clogged pipe. So what we have to do is dig out around this no-hub, replace the no-hub, convert it over to PVC, fill it back in with dirt. Then we're going to fill it with concrete to support the pipe and put a new closet flange in and support it. Good fun. It's this is gonna be pretty awesome.
We got the clog out though, so that's the most important thing. Yesterday.
Oh my God, guys!
Fun times.
You should have seen it. So this right here, there was a clog yesterday, and we thought the clog was right after this pipe, because we were speculating that dirt was going down the pipe and clogging it, but we've come to find out that the clog wasn't there. The clog was about 50-60 feet downstream of this fitting. So the whole building started using water, and you get it, all sewage started backing up out of this pipe, and it was pretty nasty. It was kind of like what you see on some YouTube videos where it you got floaters, you got all kinds of stuff coming up, and it kind of flooded out the hole, but we were able to save it, and we had to go downstream with the rotor-rooter, and we got the clog undone. So now we're fixing someone else's mess up. You know, hopefully fix it a little bit better here, and you know, digging out. We'll see what happens here. This is gonna be pretty interesting. We'll take you guys along for the ride, but first step is dig everything out, and we go from there. Alright, so we got the old no-hub fitting off. This is what we got. The rubber is kind of deteriorated a little bit, but it's probably not the problem. But I think one of the main issues here was the cement wasn't poured up to the pipe to support the pipe. So anyways, that's the way we're going to do it. So we're digging out the rest of the dirt so we can get below the cast iron, and we're going to put a new no-hub on the cast iron, and then put the PVC in, fill the dirt back in, connect it, and then we'll cement all the way up to the PVC and put a closet flange in, and hopefully that cement will...
Look at this rock. It's massive.
Nice rock. Hopefully that cement will support the pipe so we won't have any movement in that no-hub. So we'll follow along. This should be pretty fun. All right, this is where we're at. So we got the old no hub out, and we got the new hub, or new hub.
I don't know what it's called.
No hub. It's called no hub. The new no hub installed onto the cast iron pipe. Got the rag in there in case anything falls down there. We're gonna stick the PVC pipe in there, and I'm a little worried that we're not going to be able to get to this back band. We might have to cut the cement to get access, but we'll find out. How you liking it, Kara?
We shall see. It's pretty scary.
Pretty scary. You like doing this stuff, don't you?
No.
Don't you live to be a plumber?
Definitely not.
PVC cut and the no hub coupling on there, but we do not have enough room to cut, we don't have enough room to, we don't have enough room to tighten the bolts, the straps on the, we don't have enough room to tighten the straps on the no hub coupling. So what we're going to do is we're going to drill the concrete, cut it so we can gain access, and then we'll tighten that coupling.
See how it goes.
That's right, should be fun.
Okay, now what?
All right, now you're gonna drill a hole.
Where?
The two corners.
Which corners? Show me where.
Let's drill a hole right here. So go ahead and do that one.
So
Right there, yeah.
Safety tips?
You don't got to press down very hard. Just kind of hold the trigger. Yeah. All right, so what we did now is we drilled 2 holes and we cut up and over and down and pounded it out with a hammer, and now we have access to our clamps on our no coupling, or now we have access to our clamps. So we're gonna button up the clamps, then fill it back in with sand
And dirt.
and then pour it with concrete flush, and then we'll put the closet flange on top and go from there.
Now I played with dirt when I was a kid, so this is no problem. Gonna pack it in there.
It's no problem.
It's nothing like a mud pie, but
So we put all the dirt back in there, and we don't quite have Alright, this is where we're at. So now that the concrete's dry, we're going to send some blue screws in the closet flange and then set the toilet. So, ooh, that smells nice. Alright, well, a big thing too is now I don't want to go too deep and hit the pipe. So, a little more than half will be alright. So, alright, so that's all. See if we can find something to bite down there. Hopefully. Uno. You don't want to over tighten it. These are, that's a 3/16 bit, and I don't know what these are. Maybe a little over quarters. Blue screw tap cons. We should never have an issue with this toilet again now that it's cemented in and screwed down. Should never have an issue with it. All right, the final setting of the toilet. So we got it all secured. Kind of line it up here. There's one. Look on the other side. Where are you? Can't see it. It's right there. There's one side. There's the other side. All right.